Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're pronouncing one of the character names from the famous TV series, Game of Thrones. This character was played by actor Mark Addy. Well, how do we say this name correctly? We may pronounce it as Robert Baratheon. Robert Baratheon. Robert Baratheon. Robert Baratheon. Robert Baratheon was the king of the Seven Kingdoms at the start of the series. His death sets off a chain of events that lead to the War of the Five Kingdoms. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about Robert Baratheon, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.